third grade, let's take a quick second to read through some of our objectives for writing today. Today, our objectives are: I will be able to edit a text to form irregular plural nouns correctly, consult reference materials, that's a fancy way of saying dictionary, to check and correct spelling, and lastly, to share your ideas through collaborative conversation and in writing. So I hope everyone's been having a good time working on those journal entries. To warm up today, we are going to take a look at a model text. Your job is going to be to read this model text and circle words that are in the irregular past tense. This is going to help you to go back and reread your writing and make sure that you also put your verbs in the correct irregular past tense. So let's take a look at the first sentence together, and then you'll read the rest on your own. It says, Greta and I sat down at the table. So I'm going to get my scribble tool. What's the verb in this sentence? Yeah, it's sat. Now, I know that that's an irregular past tense verb because it doesn't say Greta and I sitted. Instead, we use the word sat. So I'm going to circle it because I know that that is an irregular past tense verb. Just because it's irregular doesn't mean it's incorrect. Remember from the video that irregular verbs are just verbs that don't follow the normal rules for past tense. So we have to memorize what they sound like and how to write them. Go ahead and read the rest of the paragraph and see if you can find more examples. When you find them, you can circle them with the scribble tool, or if you're using Pear Deck, you can use that too. Good luck!